We need to create and save your source files for your sticker images. These are the file sizes for the line stickers. If you're interested in creating a finished art for the stickers, you're going to need, this is to submit to the line website, you're going to need a main image that's this size, all your sticker images, and it can be a pack of 16, 24, 32, or 40. So you'll need to make a lot. A chat thumbnail icon. So those are the specifications that Line wants. For this project, we're going to keep the size the same as what Line wants, just in case later if you want to actually continue working on it and submit. So we're going to do a size that is 370 pics by this size, 320. So we're going to go to Illustrator, we're going to make a new file. Now, say this needs to be in there. So change it, if it's in inches, I want you to make it to pixels, and you're going to put this for the width and this for the height. And we want 3 artboards, and we're going to say create. So this is not square. This is a little bit wider than it is tall. One thing we're going to do now is we're going to add another artboard, which is all 3 together. So let's go to the artboard tool. You'll notice we have artboard 1, artboard 2, artboard 3. So I'm going to click and drag. See how it's kind of snapping to the side, and you could just kind of eyeball it. So I definitely want this artboard to be as long as the 3, and you can eyeball it to make it as tall. And don't worry, because you can always change that size. So let's get out of the artboard tool. I'm going to click on this selection tool. If I made this the wrong size, I can go back in to the artboard tool and I can make it a little bit taller and go back to the selection tool. So you're going to be creating your 3 stickers in here, and then at the end you're going to put all 3 of them together in there. And this is the artboard that you're going to be submitting. So you have 3 for each and 1 for all of them. If you want to make more than 3 is a minimum. If you want to make all 9 or all 16, you can go to this artboard tool. You can click on these 3 artboards. If I press Shift, click, it's going to add to my selection. Now I press Option on a Mac or Alt on a PC. Notice how I have the double arrows. I'm going to click and drag, and now I just made 6. So you can have as many artboards as you're going to make stickers of, but for this we're going to make 3. I need to save my source file. That's very important. We're going to do File, Save As. I notice some of you aren't having the right formats for your files. Make sure you got first name, last name. I don't want to see random file names because then I don't know who made it. Put an underscore, and let's call this line sticker. That's fine. First name, last name, line sticker .ai. Make sure that this is .ai, and then save it in a place where you know. Make a folder for your project. If you need, for whatever reason, to make it compatible with an older version of Illustrator, this is where you would do that instead of doing 2020. I have an older version on my other computer, so I'm going to go ahead and save this as an older version, but you probably don't, so do it as 2020. So, and then we're going to say okay, and now you have the right size file and it's all saved.